Hi everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we have 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 divided by 5. Our goal is to find the value of this expression. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. When we have more than one operation in one expression, we have to work from left to right. So first, this division, 5 divided by 5 gives us 1. So 1 divided by 5 and divided by 5. 1 divided by 5 can be written as 1 over 5. Then divided by 5. And now, according to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. 1 over 5 divided by 5 can be written as 1 over 5, then times 1 over 5. And this is equal to 1 over 5 times 5, which equals 25. So our final answer to this problem is just 1 over 25.